Hi kids, in today's lesson, we are going to talk about the design of one device that is used to travel to the space. Later, I will show you how to make a paper fish. Let's begin our discussion with the device I mentioned earlier. The device I'm talking about is the rocket. The rocket is used to send humans and satellites to the space. The body of a rocket usually consists of two shapes, a cone at the top and a cylinder on the lower part. Rockets also have fins. Do you know why a rocket is designed this way? This is because the shape of an object or its structure can affect its movement, especially in the cases of objects that fly. Objects that fly have to go against the wind, and the wind can slow down the movement of such objects. But the pointed head of the rocket makes it difficult for the wind to slow down its movement since the wind would not be able to rest on a pointed surface. Furthermore, the fins on the bottom of the rocket helps to stabilize the rocket as it flies. The fins of rockets come in different shapes, and these different shapes of the rocket's fins affect its flight. Look at the design of this rocket. Did you notice those features I mentioned earlier? This is the head with the cone shape, the cylindrical body, and its fins. Let's make this rocket look more real by coloring it. I am going to start from the nose cone. I'll color it red. I would like the body tube to be white, so I wouldn't need to color it since it is already white. I'll just go over and color the window blue. I'll fill this other space with red color. Then I'll go over to the fins and color them red as well. And finally, I'll color this last part red also. Did you know that there is a fish called the rocket fish? Obviously, this fish looks like a rocket. Could it be that scientists have copied the design of this fish to create the rocket? There are lots of species of fish that you can get different designs from. Would you like to learn how to make a paper fish? Well, if you'd like to, please watch the following video carefully and learn how to make a paper fish. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video and that you also learned how to make a paper fish. This will be all for today's class, kids. Please join our next lesson for another amazing design. See you in our next class. Goodbye.